Next, on This Week in Agribusiness, it's Max's Tractor Shed, spotlighting another great American tractor.
It's that time of the year the old tractors prove they still can perform. Auger duty. Max's Tractor Shed is brought to you by Store Lock Tool Cabinets. Go to STORLOC to see what they have to offer. Alex Kerr of Mount Sterling, Illinois, posted this photograph the other day of that old tractor at work on the auger, putting the harvest up in the bin. A tractor made about 50 years ago. Show me your auger tractor. Max Armstrong on Twitter.